What is up, you guys? Thanks so much for coming to see another video. Look at this. Look at this look. I'm so proud of it. I used the Morphe 9M palette completely on the eyes and I could not be happier. I wanted to give it some love. I feel like I haven't used it exclusively and so we're giving it some love today. I'm really excited with how this came out. If you guys want to see how I did it, then please keep watching. Hey guys, bright and early. Just kidding, it's like nighttime right now. Just about to put some concealer on my lid. I adjusted my face. So we got fresh skin. We're about to have fresh eyes. Real fresh. I'm ready for it. Okay, so now that we just primed our lid, I am going into the Morphe 9N palette. I feel like I didn't give this palette enough love. I haven't really used it like exclusively, so I really want to do a look. I love how this palette has a giant mirror. So I'm just going to place this color DJ in the crease, like so. And I didn't put anything on that concealer that we had. We're just putting this shadow right on top, and that's how this brown is coming out so deep. So pigmented. It is really just showing up. Okay, and then I'm cleaning off my brush. I'm using my color switch, and I'm just kind of getting that brown off of there, and then I'm going to go into Private Room, and I'm going to barely put it in a new spot. I'm just putting it at the very tippy top of the DJ color. Okay, so this Private Room color really helped kind of fan out this deep color. You can't really tell the difference between the two, but it's alright because we're about to go into the crazy color right now, which will be Hot and Crowded. Okay, dipping the same brush. Love using the same brush. And we're going right above that. I'm just barely putting it right above to see what happens, to be honest. Like, that's what I'm doing. I just want to see what happens. If it's going to take over or if I'm going to have to bring it up higher. And like, if your eyes are super huge like me, I have to like adjust as I'm doing my makeup because I have to stretch my eyelid in certain directions to get the shadow like in there because my eyes are just big, but I like them. Ooh, this looks crazy, doesn't it? So I'm just going to go back over that again, and it's automatically blending. Can you guys see this? Look at the top. Now I'm dipping into Showtime, and we're going to put that right above. That didn't quite do it for me. Okay, so I'm gonna reapply each color and I'm gonna blend the top and then we're gonna move to the next step. Okay, hunty. Something weird happened while I was doing that and I don't know if it's my eyes or what, but I was like, the more I do it, the worse it looks. So I'm just gonna stop. We're gonna cut this crease halfway. Actually, we're probably gonna fill this part in before we fill it in halfway. Like so. Okay, now that we have done that, I'm going to pick up the color Bottle Service and we're going to put that at the top of this cut crease. Okay, surprise. Now we're going to add Skyline right next to it. We're going to fade that right into the dark. Alright, so that's going to look really cute and really dramatic once we cut it again and put on the next color, which will be Provocateur. Sounds dangerous. So I think that looks pretty good. It looks pretty sick actually. Let's do the under eye, and I'm going to use the makeout color. This BH Cosmetics brush is really light and airy, so it's good for blending the under eye. Okay, now let's go in with the 507 and place makeout right underneath the lashes. We're basically using almost every color in this palette except for the green one, which is Top Shelf. Get these lashes curled. I just gave myself a lash lift the other day. If you guys want to see that video, I'll link it in this corner, I think. Yeah, I love me a lash lift, and I love doing it myself because it's so quick, it's easy, I could do it at home. We're gonna tight line. Oh, it's in my eye, Jesus. It is in my eye. Wow. Now we're gonna tight line. My eye's gonna water. I'm gonna freak out. That's as much as I can do before I show you guys me being weird. And we're gonna do the lower lash line. Okay, and I think that is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna pop on some lashes, do the other eye, and we'll be done. So here's the final look, you guys. What do you think? Y'all already know I'm in love. I am so impressed with like how much my skills have grown. It's like, wow. You know, a lot of the times I feel like it's still not perfect, but compared to like my first couple of videos, or 10, I have seriously improved, and that's always a good sign. You guys seriously need to let me know what you think about this look. I'm so shook. We're shook. I hate to sound so scripted in my outros. But anyways, you guys know what to do. I love you. Thank y'all for the support. Thank you for your comments and everybody being so sweet. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Quiet. You gotta be quiet, baby. You're licking. No one wants to hear that in the background. Gross. Bye.